There are golf courses you play, and there are courses you remember, where every step, every swing, every view feels like it was designed just for you. That's the feeling you get at the celebrity course at Indian Wells Golf Resort, a desert masterpiece where beauty meets brilliance. Tucked in the heart of California's Coachella Valley, just minutes from Palm Springs, the celebrity course is a place where luxury and play go hand in hand. It's not just about how the course looks, though it's stunning. It's about how it makes you feel. Elevated, relaxed, inspired. Designed by Clive Clark, the Celebrity is one of the most visually captivating golf courses in the country. Think cascading waterfalls, blooming wildflowers, and artful bunkering set against the backdrop of the majestic Santa Rosa Mountains. Every hole is framed with purpose, not just to challenge, but to charm. It's a course built with an eye for elegance. Rolling fairways cut through palm groves and desert flora, leading to sculpted greens that are both inviting and subtly tricky. From the moment you tee off on the first, a sweeping par 4 that gently bends left under a wide blue sky, you know you're in for a round unlike any other. This isn't just a photo-worthy course, it's also a strategic challenge. With its mix of risk-reward par 5s, cleverly guarded greens, and water features that demand attention, the Celebrity keeps you engaged from start to finish. It's a thinking player's course, one that rewards creativity and commitment. But it's also accessible, fair, and endlessly enjoyable for players of all skill levels. The signature holes shine. The 11th, a par 3 across a lake to a peninsula green, is as nerve-wracking as it is breathtaking. The 18th is a showstopper, wrapping around water to a dramatic finish just steps from the resort's luxurious clubhouse. And when your round is done, the experience only deepens. Head to the View Grill and Bar, perched above the fairways, and enjoy locally inspired cuisine with panoramic mountain views. Whether it's brunch before your tea time or cocktails at golden hour, the ambiance is unmistakably upscale and endlessly welcoming. Need a place to stay? The resort is surrounded by 4 world-class properties, from the sleek Hyatt Regency to the serene Miramonte Resort and Spa, offering indulgent amenities, rejuvenating spas, and poolside relaxation. You're never far from comfort or your next tee time. What makes the Celebrity course truly unforgettable isn't just the beauty. It's how seamlessly it blends luxury and nature. How it invites you to slow down, to appreciate the quiet between shots, the sound of the breeze through the palms, the play of light on water. This is golf that moves you, not just through 18 holes, but through every sense. And when you're ready to turn this dream round into a reality, there's no better way than with golfpackravel.com. Their expert team handles every detail: tee times, accommodations, and insider access, so your trip feels effortless, elevated, and tailored to you. Because the Celebrity course isn't just a round of golf, it's an experience. Luxurious, serene, unforgettable. Visit golfpackravel.com and book your escape to Indian Wells Celebrity course, where desert golf becomes something truly extraordinary.